Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viceman, and today I will going to show you that how can you register for this involuntary loss of employment scheme for Dubai residents. Generally it is for UAE, but let's say I'm employed in Dubai and I want to register myself in this involuntary loss of employment scheme, which is generally you can say is compulsory. All of the employers which are employed in UAE, United Arab Emirates, they have to register themselves for this ILoE scheme before 29th of June. Now it is 23, so you have about uh, 9 days to register, and it is compulsory. If you don't register, you will have to pay fine. So now let's quickly go over here. What is the procedure? You have to log into this website www.iloe.ae. Then click on subscribe here. Click on non-registered in MOHRE. So this is for my case. I am employed in Bits Plani, which is a kind of a education institute, and for that private companies, I think you have to click on this non-registered in MOHRE. Again, if your company is registered, then you don't need to click on this. If your company is not registered in MOHRE, then you have to click on this non-registered in MOHRE. Add your personal details. After that, upload the copies of Emirates ID, resident visa, work permit if you are non-sponsored, and make a payment. For more details about this scheme, you can click on this website, which is published in this time, and you can find all the information about this newly insurance scheme. Okay, so let's quickly go over. I am going to this website, which is www.iloe.ae, and again I am doing this from India, so you can register yourself from anywhere in the world. Let's say you went for vacation or you went for some emergency purposes, you can do at ease from your home. Okay, so this is the website www.iloe.ae. Now as I mentioned, you if your company is non-registered, you have to do this thing, otherwise not. Okay, so now click on subscribe here. This will take you to this page, diniloe.ae. Now go over here. As you are an employer, as you are an employee, so click on private, federal government, or non-registered in MOHRE. As I mentioned, my company is non-registered. I will click on this. If your company is registered, you can go with these two options. Now over here, provide with sign in because you are registering for the first time. So provide your Emirates ID and mobile number, and then click on request OTP. So you will get an OTP on your registered mobile number. After that, let's see what we are going to have. It will open a window and it will provide me some information. So now kindly check your Emirates ID and provide your details. As soon as you enter your monthly basic salary, the category will automatically prescribe for your case. After putting all the details, you have to click on upload the image, and you have to upload a file that contains your Emirates ID scan image. It can be PNG, JPG, or PDF. So now as you can see, after providing your details of salary, you will see that this will happen. It will provide you category and it will say your monthly premium is 5 dirhams. And these are some details which you can see on your dashboard. Now what you have to do, you have to click on how to pay your premium. So if you want to pay for 2 years, you can pay for 2 years. If you pay for 1 year, and over here it says pay the premium in full. It's doesn't allow me to pay in monthly basis. Okay. Okay, so now as you can see, check your details over here. Click on I confirm my personal details. Now you can select how you want to pay your plan, 1 year or 2 year, and it says full annual, so we have to pay for full 1 year. And over here you can see your date of your insurance, date of initiation and expiry, amount, how much you are paying with VAT, total amount, and click on this and click on pay now. Over here you have to provide your email ID where the certificate of insurance will be shared. So now you can see you'll get this payment window. Over here you can see your final amount that you have to pay. uh, Below are some options from which you can use to pay your insurance bill. I will go with the credit card, and if you have a Samsung Pay, you can go with the Samsung Pay option also. So let's complete this. So as soon as you pay it, you will confirm your payment to this payment successful option, and I will get. And as soon as the payment has been done, I will get this window of download option. Click on this download. Let's see what certificate we are getting. Okay, it has so much information that I need to hide it, but overall you can see the certificate will be issued to you. It is a two-page certificate. There will be a QR code in that, and all the details of you, about you, and the details about insurance, when it is going to be get completed or let's say exhausted, and everything is seen in this insurance card. That's all. You have to just complete this uh, procedure to get your ILoE certificate done before 29th of June. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, advice man. Thank you.